Yo, what's going on, guys? So today I'm back with how to optimize RimWorld for faster loading, more TPS FPS. So I recently uploaded, I think this was RimWorld 1.5, this one, yeah. And people asked me to do a 1.6. I did, but I discovered new things that actually helps a lot better than number two, the performance video 2. So first off, we're gonna need Rimsort. That is a must. Just makes it easier to manage mods, download mods. You can go to download, they browse workshop, download mods, you can sort them. It basically saves you a lot of time, makes your life easier. If you're not using Rimsort for mods, you're doing it wrong. To get Rimsort, just go to Google, type Rimsort, go to the GitHub, go to releases, click the latest, and get for your operating system. Of course, I'm using Windows, so I'm getting this one, the zip. Okay, after that, I'm testing performance fish. It's not updated to 1.6 yet, but there's a fork. So let's just get it. If you go performance fish, you go to the GitHub one, you go to forks on the right hand side, and this one from Invictus. I use this one. Currently I'm using it, no problems, but I'm still testing. I haven't played long enough to see if it gives me errors. The problem is it's made by AI, and I know a lot of people do not like AI, but I'm giving it a shot to see if it improves performance or not. And you can download it by clicking on code, download zip. Just something to note, once you guys downloaded it, you'll use the zip folder. You put this folder directly into your mods folder, like so. Go 7-zip, extract here. This folder, you just drag and drop it in your RimWorld mods folder. But inside this folder, you'll see this pre-patch and fishery, which you have to remove. You can paste them and just drop these 3 folders in your mod folder. But use this mod at your own advice, because it is a fork, so there could be trouble. So then you want to go and get these mods, download these mods. Okay, like I said, fishery, I got this. So I like to use loading progress bar. It just shows you, while I was using this with the old video, I saw that a lot of my loading time, the longest it takes, is on the XML and loading mod textures. So that's why I got this, just to see where my loading time takes long. So I got faster game loading. This preloads mods, makes your game run faster. Then of course I got the performance fish. It's not a must to have it, I'm just trying it, so be advised using it, because it's made by AI and it's a fork. You got butter plus plus, brilliant mod. This is the one I recently, this helps. Like I said, the XML takes a long while to load, so this really helps a lot. You won't notice it on the first launch, because it has I think a loading error with, I think it's what do you call it, with, what's the damn mod, this yet another mod, it has a problem with that, and with performance fish. And I'll show you how to fix the bugs. And then you get this lower pawn tick rate, really works. Performance Esmolas works. Yet another optimize is also a good one. As you can see, dubs, performance analyzer, performance optimizer, and then missile goal. It's basically the new Rocket Man. So these are the mods you would want. I did try this one, dev load cache, but it interferes too much with missile goal, because missile goal basically does what this mod does, but better. So you can choose between the two. Do you want missile goal? I prefer missile goal, more optimizations to make the game. This just makes your game load faster. But this is why I chose HyperDrive. Okay, after we got the mods, the next thing you want to do is hop over to textures, optimize your textures for all your mods. This will transform your mods from PNG files to DDS, which loads much faster. And as you guys can see, I'm running 845 mods. This is not a small mod pack by any chance. As you can see, I have tons. No, I'm loading tags, my bad. If I go here, I have tons of big mods. I got tons of vanilla expanded mods. I got combat extended. As you can see, tons of combat extended. This mod does take very long to load because it has a lot of XML files. I'm using Glittertech. I'm using tons of big mods. So this is not an easy mod list to load, and to be honest, my piece is a potato. The stronger your CPU is, like if you got the latest like a X3D CPU, your game will load much faster. So this was my first run with all the performance mods, so it took 27 minutes to load my game. This is with optimized textures, and this was the first time loading everything, right? So here we go. If I go into my RimWorld and I'll type the loader, there we go, loading. This is the time it took now. Game took 21 minutes. I don't know, every time I launch the game, it seems to load a little bit faster with HyperDrive. So this is 21 minutes to load 840 plus mods. It's crazy. I tested it on a 200-300 mod list, less than a minute. It loads in. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, the optimizations for the mods is button plus. You want to open that, general, compatibility mode, switch that on. Then the other one is another, Yaopt. You see, you just go, where's that? You'll see the first time you open this, there will be compatibility mode here. You just enable that. It will tell you in the logs. You just read the logs. Oh yeah, the one that interferes with HyperDrive is faster game loading. The only thing you want to do here is multi-threaded preloading. Turn that off, because that interferes with HyperDrive. And then you're all set, ready to play. As simple as that, guys. I'll link all the mods down below, all the software I used, etc. And it really does work. It's like the ultimate performance for RimWorld. If you have anything happening to you, just ask in the comments. I'll help you guys. Cheers, bye. Take care.